Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Knit Crate yarn. If you'd like to sign up under me, you can use the promo code JEWEL20, get 20% off your first month. All links are down below in the description. Here is the monthly club if you'd like to join. Also, somebody was pretending to be me on this giveaway. They were using my picture and Telegram at Crochet Jewel. That is not me. I went to that YouTube profile. I blocked them. I am approving all comments from now on so I can prevent that from happening. I did have some people contact me through email letting me know, uh, and hopefully that won't happen again. I think I went back over to Telegram, which I do not have a Crochet Jewel Telegram. I have a personal account there, but I don't use it. And so I went over there, and that person was there pretending to be me. I didn't say anything to them, but I think they were just fishing for people's information. So I did take care of it. No need to worry, but do not go over there. Do not try to, give your information to anybody. That is not me. I get all my information through my email and I keep it private. And when I send out any giveaways. So if you'd like to come to amyscrochetpatterns.com, you can go to patterns. I have hundreds of patterns for free with videos. Go to holidays, Valentine's Day is coming up. You can click on any one of these patterns. I just made a video with my heart purse, which I need to add on my categories. And you can click right on to any one of these. It will take you to the pattern. Also, I have a Facebook page and group if you'd like to join. That's all down below in descriptions. And that will help you see any of my recent patterns. I post them on my Facebook page if you're on Facebook. And then on Etsy, I have digital products. If you go to Crochet Patterns PDF in my categories, these are my paid for patterns. And if you go to vintage, and all is crochet for printables here, the poncho, and then a lot of thank you cards that are fun and little birthday tags that are really fun. And then for the holidays, tags you can print off. They're all digital. And then let's see who the winner is. Congratulations, Amber S. Please contact me with the email down below. I will send this out as soon as possible. Thank you, everybody, for participating and for subscribing. I have a few videos I just released, which was the bumblebee, which was the crochet heart purse. I also have another heart coming out for a basket, and also I was thinking about doing another heart granny square. So then I'll probably be done with Valentine's Day, and then we're headed into Easter. I like to do things for holidays. I find them fun to do. So look out for those, and thank you everybody for watching, and come back for any recent videos that I'm going to release. I like to release like at least once a week for videos, and then giveaways once a week. Okay, so thank you for watching and subscribing.